Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by zeroing in on the exact file and platform. This matters because history lives in different places. Open the app, then go directly to History, Activity, or Revisions. Don't waste time in general menus. Once there, authenticate if prompted and confirm you have viewer or hire rights so entries are visible. If it's cloud storage versus local software, make sure syncing is complete. That ensures the full timeline is available for the next steps. You now inspect the log with intent. Apply filters like date range, user, or event type to reduce noise. Once filtered, preview entries to read diffs, timestamps, and comments so you understand what changed and why. Make sure to expand metadata fields for IP, device, or commit messages when available. If you need a record, export results to CSV or PDF, or copy the specific entries. This preserves context and speeds later review or rollback. You finish by restoring or copying the desired version and then verify integrity. Open the file, run quick checks, and compare checksums or visible content. Once satisfied, document who performed the restore and why so the history remains auditable. If the version isn't present, don't panic. First confirm retention and purge settings, then check alternate logs or backups. If entries are still missing, escalate to admin or support, and provide timestamps and user ID for faster recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.